Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you 3 ways you can remove the background from an image. I'm sure you found yourself in a situation where you need to cut out an image of a person or yourself for your thumbnail perhaps. I'll be sharing 3 techniques that range from really easy to a complicated one using Photoshop. Depending on if you have access to Photoshop or not, you might decide to use one of the other 2 methods I'll be sharing today. So if you're interested, then keep watching. First of the methods I'll be showing you guys is the easiest. You go to remove.bg. So it's a URL you need to type in, or you could just type it on Google, remove.bg. And it will take you to this landing page where you get to upload the image you want to remove the background from. They've really made it easy for people to copy and paste images and transfer the image on this page. Whichever way you want to transfer your picture to this page, you can decide to either select the image you want, you can drag and drop, or copy and paste. We are going to be selecting an image, so we'll click on upload image, and I will select the image I want to upload. I will be using this. It uploads the image and automatically it removes the background for you. So you can see on the right hand side here how it looked originally, and this is how the image now looks without the background. If you're happy, all you need to do is just select download and it will download the image for you in a PNG format. So a PNG format image does not have a background, so you can place it on any background you want, which is great. If you have a problem with the automatic removal of your background, then you select edit, and here you have a couple options. You can either erase things, so let's just say something was wrong here and we want to erase something. So you see how easy it is to do. You can reduce the brush or increase the brush size to make the amendment, and if you made a mistake in trying to tweak your image, you can restore to how it was before if you wish to, but that's not what we want. So let's just go back to how things were. If you're ready, you can just download to your computer, and it's ready to be used on any background you wish. Second method is to use a feature within Canva.com, and I will show you as I go along. So the first thing you need to do is open the YouTube thumbnail blank page. So you need a blank page to start with. So once you've opened the blank screen, then you need to import the image that you want to remove the background from, and you go to upload an image or video. This is from your computer. Then locate the file you want to remove the background from. Let's use this, and that will be imported into your uploads within Canva. Just waiting for that to upload. Next then is to click on the image and it will be transferred to the canvas. Then you click on the image, you go to effects and remove background remover. So you select background remover to remove the background, and here you are. You have an image with the background removed. Once you're happy, you can go ahead and save this to your computer. The third method method is to use Photoshop to remove the background from the images. I've already opened Photoshop. I'm currently using the Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud 2020, but this feature should be available in most of the Photoshop versions. So the first thing you need to do is to import the image that you'll be remove the background from, and you go to Open and you select the image. Let us select this one, and Photoshop will load the image into the workspace. So just make this slightly smaller to 15%. Here we go, so we can see the whole image. Just move this to the left hand side. So the next step is to go to the layers and duplicate the layer we have already. So you select OK, and that duplicates the layer for you. Then you delete the bottom layer, and that removes the background, whatever white background it has for you. Then the next step is to select the magic wand tool. So on your tools panel to the left is the fourth option down. You right click on it so you see more options, and you select the magic wand tool. And I just want to quickly talk about a hack that Photoshop has. It has a select subject button here where Photoshop automatically selects your subject for you. So it's at the top panel there. As soon as you select the magic wand tool, you select subject. Photoshop does its magic, and it basically guesses and identifies what the subject is in the picture and selects it. It might not be perfect, but it does a very good job selecting and identifying the subject. And what we need to do is go to select and inverse, and basically that reverses the selection and then selects the background. That's exactly what we want. If you select backspace or delete, then you'll find that the background can be deleted. See, the background has been deleted. So what I've done here is I've selected the subject, reversed the selection to the selection of the background, and then deleted the background. That's it. So all you need to do is just save this PNG to your files to be used anytime you want. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can share ideas and learn together. Until next time, take care.